Okay, answer the questions. Where is the science room?
It's between the gym and office.
Okay, where was she this morning?
She was on the playground.
She was on the playground.
This morning.
Very good. Okay, where is she? Oh, where is he now?
He is in the pool now.
Okay, was and is. Why is it was and why is it is? Because
Yesterday and now.
this is yesterday or
This morning.
this morning is what time? What time is it? Is it or when is is? When is is? When?
现在
Right, so
now.
now. So if it's now, then what's morning this morning? What time?
之前
So it's
was
was in the
between
past or before. Before, right? Okay, where were they yesterday?
They were on the bus stop. They were in the bus stop yesterday.
Are you sure? Try one more time.
They were on the bus stop yesterday.
How was the weather yesterday?
Is sunny. Is was sunny.
It was sunny? When?
It was sunny yesterday.
Right. Excuse me. Alright. Can you read these for me?
Socks. Watches. Dogs. Lamb. Knee.
What are these? These are?
Silent later.
Very good. Can you go ahead and read this for me?
Kids, what are you doing? We're choosing costume from the costume bag. Don't look is surprised. I want a hat. I want a dress and crown. I want some boots.
Right, thank you.